here at the Scrap Metal Man, picking up air conditioner. It's a hot summer's day, as you can see. These units seem to fail quite often. We don't mind because it's all money for us. Beautiful blue sky everywhere, guys. Run from the Scrap Metal Man in Coffs Harbour for the fairest prices on the coast for all your non-ferrous metals. Give me a call if you've got anything like this that needs doing. This is how we do it. We'll walk around now and hook it up. $350 is a brilliant little crane. We'll lift that full extension of about 6 metres, 7 metres. We'll lift 800 kilos, 600 kilos. And close at 1.2, it'll lift 2.2 tonne. There you go, guys, girls, YouTubers. Thanks for watching. The Scrap Metal Man just picking up another air conditioner.